Finally, my favorite plant is back in its flowering season and I'm super excited to share today's video. I'm literally so much in love with these flowers that I can simply watch them whole day. Isn't it beautiful? Let's talk about this gorgeous flowering vine in detail today. It's an annual bloomer and a perfect pollinator magnet as well.
Welcome back, friends. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Let's get started.
This bright orange flowering vine is known by several names like firecracker vine, Pyrostegia Venusta, Sankrant bale because it blooms around Makar Sankranti, and its common name is flame vine. The name flame vine comes from its spectacular clusters of tubular orange flowers that look like flames dancing on the vine. And they bloom from winter till spring. It's a really vigorous and evergreen climbing vine which is native to Brazil and it belongs to the trumpet vines family. And it can grow up to 20 to 40 feet long. It's really vigorous and sometimes even longer in ideal conditions, making it perfect for covering fences, walls, and pergolas. If we talk about its sunlight requirement, for best flowering, flame vine needs full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. It can tolerate partial shade also, but you'll get fewer flowers. The more sun it will get, the more blooms it will produce. If we talk about its climate requirement, the best part about this plant is you can grow them in almost every kind of climate, be it tropical or on mountains. I have seen them flowering on hill stations as well. The only requirement for this plant is direct sunlight, some support to climb and spread, and regular watering. This plant attracts pollinators like crazy. Pollinators like bees and birds. So, if you have this plant in your garden, you'll get to see a variety of birds in its flowering season. Apart from its gorgeous blooms, what I like more about it, it's a pest resistant plant. I have never seen any pest attack on this plant so far. Now, if we talk about how to get more flowers in this plant, apart from fertilizing, pruning is the key. Prune it really well once its flowering season gets over. It will develop more branches. More branches means more flowers in its season. So this is about 8 to 9 years old plant and it's growing in the front garden at the entrance where it gets support to spread. And at the same place, as you can see, I have Indian cloak vine as well, the hanging flowers. So basically, two flowering vines are growing at the same place and they bloom in their season, making the home entrance beautiful around the year. Now, if we talk about how to grow this plant, I would suggest buy a plant from the nursery. Its flowering season has started. You will easily get this plant at any big nursery. Just plant it in the garden if you have garden space. If not, you can grow them in big size pots as well. They do flower in pots also. But remember, keep the plant in full sunlight only and give it some support to climb. I have shared few buying links also in case you don't get the plant at nearby nurseries. You can buy them online. And if you don't want to buy the plant, if you get to see this plant anywhere in your neighborhood, you can grow them from stem cutting as well. Just take a semi wood cutting and uh, grow them in a spring season or in monsoon season. So that's all for today, friends, and I'll see you next week with one more interesting video. So please share the video with other plant lovers and stay connected. See you.